Behind me isn't just a standard roof. This is a solar shingle roof. Hey, today we're here in Beaverton at the project we just completed. As you can see behind me, this doesn't just look like a standard roof. These aren't solar panels, these are solar shingles. They've been around for about 6 years. New technology just became available here in the Portland market. One of the things that I love about these is these panels right here, or these shingles, they don't need to be nailed on with like brackets. These get nailed on with just a standard nail gun. So it's really awesome. There's no damage caused to the roof at all. You don't have to worry about having any possible leaks. We're not damaging any rafter tails. Everything is all installed just like a roof. It's walkable shingle. So what's really awesome about this project is this is actually a roof with the solar shingles installed. So this whole system here, it comes off as a 30% tax credit as long as you have this installed on your roof by the end of this year. So that's one thing that's really awesome is you can actually get 30% tax credit. But here's what's really awesome about this is you actually have a 25-year energy production guarantee. So GAF Energy is covering anything that is not covered by that warranty for the next 25 years. So that's something that's unheard of in the solar industry. I've been there, I know exactly what I'm talking about. But this is super awesome. Homeowners, they know exactly what they're gonna save over the next 25 years. And not to mention, they have a beautiful roof. Everything is all covered under warranty. It looks amazing. This is all generating energy. The whole concept of this is a roof that pays for itself. And that's exactly what this is. This is a system. We estimate about 8 to 10 years, depending on what happens with the electric rates. But this whole solar portion will be completely paid off in less than 10 years, most likely. And then everything after that is just covering the roof. When I came out and talked to the homeowner, was just talking to him about his roof being replaced, went over how he could actually save by getting the solar shingles, went over it, and the rest is history. He's super happy, he loves everything that we've been able to do. The Geek roofing team was really awesome. They were just able to come in here, just knock it out, be real professional. So if you're looking to possibly save on your energy over the next 25 plus years, you need to get your roof replaced. Give us a call. This is something that is super awesome. The value is unbreakable. And I'll tell you right now, this is something that is the future, energy from every roof. You wouldn't believe it right now. We're out here just doing this job. And the guy from the honey bucket guy came over here and he was asking us what we were filming about. And I started talking to him about it. And he was telling me how he wished he'd be able to do it, but just where his home is, he can't get solar or anything. But it's just cool to see anybody you talk to about this. It just sells itself. The product is amazing. This is really just gonna be a no-brainer for anybody who's looking to save on their energy as well as get the roof replaced. So it's a no-brainer. Go with it, Geek Roofing.